Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. Finally, the battery draining test is back this video, and in this video I'll be doing the battery draining while playing the Pubg game in the Realme X7 Pro device. As you can see, friends, this is a Realme X7 Pro which I'm using currently in my channel. Let me try to show you quickly the specifications: 8GB RAM variant and the Dimensity 1000 plus processor, and the phone has a 4500 mAh of battery capacity and the 6.55 inches screen and 1080 resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate as well. And in this video I'll try to use these conditions with the Wi-Fi connection and with the smooth and extreme settings and with 50% brightness only, and with the Bluetooth earphones connected, not with the normal earphones, because the phone has only the Type-C earphones plugged in. So that's why it's better to use the Bluetooth earphones. Let me try to use the Bluetooth earphones now, and in case if you are interested, I'll try to use the other Type-C earphones as well. So these are the battery percentage I'll try to record for every 1 hour, and temperature readings as well for every 1 hour. So let's see how much long time you can actually play the Pubg game in the Realme X7 Pro continuously for long time Pubg gaming. So this is the most awaiting video. So recently when I did another video where the charging the Realme X7 Pro while playing the Pubg game at same time, charging and playing the Pubg game at same time, and the results for the charging charger temperature and phone temperatures as well. So try to check the links in description for the playlist, and also follow me regularly, because now in the couple of next days I'll be trying to do more and more videos on this Realme X7 Pro only. So you'll get to know more information about this device before it get released in India. You need to decide whether to spend that much of money in the Realme X7 Pro or not. So let's get started, friends. So first thing is that let me try to show you quickly what refresh rate I'm using. So 60 Hz I'm trying to use in this test, and let me try to show the battery percentage. Right now it's 100% fill, and let me keep ready this TikTok phone here with the stopwatch ready. As you can see, the stopwatch is already ready and the battery is also set to 100%. Now quickly let me try to decrease the battery brightness, phone brightness to 50%, and auto brightness has been disabled, and Bluetooth earphones also plugged in. So everything is set. Now let me take the temperature. So before starting the test, let's see the temperature of the phone, how much it is. So 30 to 33 degrees. So even my surrounding temperature and the climate is also close to 25 and 30. So my surrounding temperatures also matters when you're doing this kind of Pubg game test as well. As you can see, the room temperature is also very low. I did not use any aircon at this time, and I won't be using any aircon as well. So make sure to subscribe and like this video and help me to reach the 50k mark in my subscriber count, friends. So I'm very close to 50k as well. So help me to kindly to reach the 50k mark. Let me quickly open the Pubg game and disconnect the charger and start the stopwatch. So now the test has been officially begun. So let's check all the conditions I'm satisfying or not. Wi-Fi connection check, and with the smooth and extreme settings, let me try to show you what is the smooth and extreme settings did I use or not. So make sure to follow me regularly, friends. As I said, there will be so many videos on this Realme X7 Pro in terms of comparison and lot of things. And smooth and extreme settings check, and with 50% brightness also check, and with Bluetooth earphones connected check. So everything is done, everything is connected, and let me start the game quickly. So now again I'll be back exactly after 1 hour. So let's see for the first 1 hour how much the phone battery will decrease during this playing of Pubg game continuously with the smooth and extreme settings. So from then I'll try to do the testings for every 1 hour as well. So let's see what is the maximum hours you can actually play continuously the Pubg game in this phone. So overall, with the smooth and extreme settings, you can play with the 60 FPS continuously without any issues, no issues at all, 60 FPS. So let me be back after 1 hour of playing this game. And during this game, I won't be spectating. As I said, I won't be spectating. I'll be playing continuously the game only for you all, because most of the people, they want the real life situation. So that's why to create the real life scenario, I need to play the game continuously for long hours. So better to subscribe and like this video as well, friends, and kindly support me. So as you can see here, friends, clearly it's been exactly 1 hour of continuously playing the Pubg game in the Realme X7 Pro device. So let me try to show you quickly what is the battery percentage right now. It is after 1 hour of playing. As you can see, friends, clearly it's 84%. You can see on the top. Let me try to decrease the brightness again back to 50%. So 84 battery percentage, and let me check the temperature readings. I can see a little bit kind of heat going on the back side. 40 degrees on the back side, you can see clearly. On the front side of the screen, let's see how much. 41, 42 degrees. As you can see, 42 degrees, 42.1 it got recorded, and in a lot of areas it's above 40 only. So 42. So overall the battery percentage is of 84 percentage, and the temperature is of 42 degrees. So again, I'll be back exactly after 1 more hour, and let's see in the first another 2 hours how much the battery will get decreased. So if you observe here, for the 1 hour it decreased by 16 percentage. Maybe it can come close to 5.5 hours, I think. So this would be my expectations on this mobile phone, considering the battery capacity of 4500 mAh only. So this would be my impressions. So again, I'll be back after 1 more hour, friends. Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the PUBG gameplay at 90 FPS test in the OnePlus 80 device. And I did a video on the, I think, couple of days back. And at the moment, the PUBG 90 FPS is not supported in the OnePlus 80 device. And finally, just today, I did receive the update on the PUBG game in this OnePlus 80 device. And finally, it's currently supported with the 90 FPS in this mobile phone. And in this video, I'll be giving the quick tutorial about this PUBG game with the 90 FPS settings. So first, let me try to go to the settings and show you the resolution or what I'm using. The refresh rate, as you can see, 120 Hz refresh rate. And in case if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using, try to check the links in description for more details. And another thing is that in my studio, I did receive recently the Realme X7 Pro model, so which is very much close to the OnePlus 80 in terms of the comparison, both phones, Realme X7 Pro. Right now I'm doing the PUBG battery drain test in that mobile phone, so stay tuned for that video. So let me try to quickly show you the settings, what you're getting. As you can see, friends, right now you will be able to see the 90 FPS support, as you can see here. So which is very good advantage. Finally, you will be able to play with this 90 FPS in the OnePlus 80 device without any problem. So unfortunately, there is no default FPS meter in the OnePlus 80 to show you the results, but it feels very good using the 90 FPS in the OnePlus 80 device. Finally, because of the powerful processor Snapdragon 865, you should be able to get very good smooth animations and smooth results as well whenever you are scrolling through. So unfortunately, there is no default FPS meter which I can show you right now, which is present in most of the other mobile phones. I think OnePlus, they should include this kind of default as well. As you can see, 90 FPS. So currently I'm using in both the phones, like all the settings are 90 FPS only. So pretty sure I can actually feel the difference as well whenever I move the cursor here and there. It's very smooth right now with the 90 FPS. So it's very good to play in this very powerful chipset. With this 90 FPS, you'll get a very good experience as well playing in this phone. So I'll try to do the battery draining test as well, playing with the 90 FPS in this game, in this mobile phone. So stay tuned for that video in case if you want to know battery draining while playing PUBG game in the 90 FPS. So this is another test I can do in this mobile phone. So overall, it looks very smooth using this 90 FPS in this OnePlus 80 device. As you can see, it's very buttery smooth currently. And for more interesting videos on the OnePlus 80, check the links in description. And very soon I'll try to do the comparison reviews with the other smartphones as well, using this OnePlus 80 with the Realme X7 Pro in terms of the performance, loudspeaker, display, camera and everything. So stay tuned for that video in case if you are interested to know. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye. So exactly after 4 hours of continuously playing the PUBG game, let me show you the battery percentage, how much it is. As you can see, friends, it's 29%. The battery is of 29% after 4 hours of continuously playing the PUBG game. And the temperature is remaining at the 40 degrees only. As you can see, 40 degrees at the moment. So in the beginning, it was very high and later it got decreased. So let me write down the battery percentage, 29%, and the battery temperature is of 40 degrees. And this is a chart for the past 2 hours and 3 hours as well. So I thought of doing the recording after 4 hours because I don't want to keep the video very lengthy as well. So that's why I decided to write the readings. but these are the few statistics for the 4 hours. So again I'll be back after, I think, once the battery gets close to 0%, again I'll be back at that time, so we can calculate how long will you be able to play the game. I think you might be able to get with this kind of score maybe close to 5.5 hours, I think. So let's see friends whether that will 5.5 hours will be crossed, or will it be close to 5 hours or not. So finally friends, after 5 hours and 24 minutes, the battery dropped to the 5%. As you can see your friends clearly, right now the battery is of 5%. So I've been playing continuously the PUBG game only during this time, and let me try to finally show you the FPS count, how much I'm getting at the low brightness level. Let me try to show you. So this is a low battery level, sorry, this is a 5%, and finally, and the FPS is still maintaining 60%, and I did not feel any lag. So usually when the battery reaches below 10% and 15%, I will feel lag while playing the game, and the game will be not at all payable as well. So that is not the case in this phone, the Realme X7 device. And finally, here are the results. I will stop the test here because I would not continue the test beyond this 5% of the battery. As you can see, these are the final scores of the battery results, and let me try to write down the final reading here. 5 hours and 25 minutes. So as I said, the phone lasted close to 5 hours and 30 minutes, and the final temperature is of 41 degrees. The phone still try to maintain the high temperatures, this with the Wi-Fi connection. So just imagine what will happen with the 4G data connection, and if you use more brightness, 100% brightness, then the results might be a little bit kind of different as well. So stay tuned for that video. In the next test, I'll try to do the 4G data connection and the 100% brightness connectivity as well. I'll try to do that kind of test as soon as possible, so stay tuned for that video. And that's it friends, this is a quick review on the battery backup and training test in the Realme X7 Pro device. So for more videos, make sure to follow me regularly, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.